Aristotle's views on justice. Aristotle held that the primary task of a state was to ensure justice. This was essential for stability. According to Aristotle, justice was more than a virtue, that is, virtue in action or practice. For example, truth is the virtue and truthfulness is justice. Aristotle classified justice as follows: universal justice and particular justice. Universal justice means general rules of justice that aims at promoting the common interest of the entire community. Universal justice is a behavior towards others in conformity with general rules of correct behavior that are enshrined in law. Particular justice was concerned with the distribution of offices and observance of rules of proportionate equality. It insisted on proper and desirable attribution of wealth, honor, money, and good things. Particular justice was classified by Aristotle into distributive justice and corrective justice. Distributive justice means distribution of honor, property, wealth, benefit, burden, opportunities, and political power in proportion to one's merits. It is based on the principle where equal should get equal shares and unequal should get unequal shares. Each type of political organization had its corresponding distributive justice. For example, in democracy it was birth, in oligarchy it was riches, and in aristocracy it was virtue. This distribution is not based on absolute equality but on proportional geometrical equality. Corrective or rectificatory or remedial justice. In case an individual acts against another in such a way that he gains and the victim suffers, the penalty given to the offender should be in proportion to the harm done. This type of justice arises due to voluntary act or transaction, for example, selling, lending, and due to involuntary act or transactions like murder and theft. In this type of justice, equality before law is followed, that is, while awarding penalty or during the process of correcting wrongs, the status or character or merit is not taken into account. Instead, law looks at the nature of damage caused. It prevents people from encroaching upon the rights of their fellow men. This corrective justice is based on arithmetic proportional equality. Thus, both forms of justice are important for creating a fair and just society.